Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make a top-down player movement. So let's just get started. First, what I'm gonna do is make two folders. Scene, script. After scene and script, what we're gonna do is first, we're gonna make a note to the scene main. We're gonna save it in the scene. So we got it. After that, what we're gonna make is a new scene. Name it character body 2D. Character body. Let's name it player. Yes, he's gonna be the player. Now what we're gonna add is a sprite 2D and a collision. So after that, what we're gonna do is this. Wait, this thing. We're gonna add this thing. And for the collision, circle will be fine. Yes. Also, you can do rectangle, but I like the circle, so that's great. And what we're gonna do is put the player in the main scene, like out here, like in the middle. So this little box is the camera. So when we click play, select current. So you have to, and you will see the player in the middle because this is the rectangle, is the camera. And if there's something in the middle, the thing will be in the middle of the game. So yeah. So what we're gonna do is add a script. Um, yeah, default will be fine. Hope. Just kidding, we don't need these. What we're gonna do is make a speed variable like 200. Also, you don't need that dot zero. Wait, yeah. Constant is like you can constant mean you have to change it in this script. Save. So what we're gonna make is a new variable name direction, and what we're gonna do is equal to 2 0 and 0. We're gonna make is a new function called wait. This is the built-in function called physics process. Physics process make all the movement right. Movement. What we're gonna do is put this movement in there. So like that. So in here, what we're gonna do is first what we need is to make some action. So I already make these all action. So that's great. So if input dot is dash action grass, and we're gonna do right. What we're gonna do is direction dot x equal 1. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. And what we're gonna do is the same for the left. So here, just change it to left. Yeah, just make it -1 so that it go to the. Also, we're gonna copy all this. Just like this. Well, we're gonna do y because y will be up and down. So this will be up. Actually, it's minus, and down is 1. That's all. So what we're gonna do is make it move. That's one move and collide comment. So we're gonna put the direction and dot normalize. Normalize gonna make it like when you go direct diagonally, it's like it is faster than going up and down. So what we're gonna do is make it normalize. So when we go the diagonally, it's gonna be the same. So what we're gonna do is multiply it by speed, and what we're gonna do is add b delta here, delta also here, delta. So after about that, we're gonna multiply it by delta, and when we play it, we're gonna be here. We're done. So thanks. Oh wait, it's going like for like when we press it, it's going forever. But we're gonna fix it. So what we're gonna fix is by copying this and pasting this and put this little thing is called, if you put this, it's mean not. And we're just gonna copy this again. What we're gonna do, add this, move left, left, enter. And what we're gonna do is direction equal 0. What we're gonna do is direction dot x. So that's what we got. And we're gonna do for the down also. So down and up, up, y, no, y, and if this work, so that little if thing that we do at first is gonna make it stop when we don't press this button. So that is all that how the top down movement work. So yeah. So if you really think this video is helpful for you, please make sure you like and also subscribe so to see more of these good tutorials and videos. And thank I appreciate for watching this video, and thank you.